Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we're in beautiful Bass Lake here near Hinton, West Virginia, and we're going to install a brand new cooking appliance in this travel trailer right behind me. The appliance that's in here is an Attwood. It's a modern appliance. There's no parts available. I'll talk a little bit more about it when we get inside here, but so we have to replace the whole thing, so let's get started. All right, here is the stove that we're replacing. What happened is the pilot light would not stay lit in the oven. I tried to diagnose it at either a bad gas valve or a bad thermocoupler. Doesn't matter, none of those parts are available, so that's why we have to just replace the whole thing. This top comes off this particular one by just pushing back and lifting up. Comes right off. Alright, I've already got the gas cut off, so let's get the gas line unhooked here from the stove. Alrighty, now there's a couple screws on each side, and there may be some in the front. We'll look there in a minute. Of course, my Milwaukee M18 drill makes that a fast little job. Let's just see if that loosened it up. Nope. There's gonna be some screws somewhere else, I think. Down at the bottom. Okay, under the door. Of course, where y'all can't see, they're down there. Okay, now it should be loose, I think. Oh yeah. Let me wrangle this old one out. Now I'll go grab the new one. While I struggle with this, y'all just take a coffee break or something. Make yourself useful. Alright, it fits. Does anybody know how to get the top off of this? I don't know. The gas line on this new one supposed to go right on the back of the stove. You know, the old one come up into the top of the stove, connected in there. So I'm gonna pull this top off, see if I can remove maybe a short piece of propane hose line and hook like it was before. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to do some strange things with the copper gas line. So let me see if I can figure out how to get this top off. Okay, I found the book. It was in the oven, and we have to remove the cover, and that will expose our holes in the side where we shoot our screws to hold it in place. They even gave us screws. See if the book was right. Might have to get a socket. Yeah. Got a socket. We are stuck with the gas line, just like it is though. I might have to get an extension too. Holy moly. Hang tight. Get those 4 screws out, and then this cover lifts right off, according to the book. Just like so. So there's where the gas line hooks up. Like I said, I'm gonna have to bend a pretty sharp bend in that right there, so that it'll clear the wall. So that's what this is for. It's a tubing bender. Yeah, you don't want to try and do that by hand. A short bend like that, there's no way. Now long bend like this, yeah, it's no problem. You can do that by hand. That's why that tubing bender comes in so handy. Go and get that snugged up. Let's see how that's gonna work. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Gonna go ahead and shoot the screws in the side of it here. There's 4 of them. Like I say, they even provided those screws for us, and that holds the oven in. I'll see if there's any place in the bottom, but I don't think so, because they only provided us with 4 screws. They actually gave us 5 screws. So I don't know, maybe there is another place for another one. I'll look in the book. I'm going to get these 4 in. Well, that's it. Pretty easy peasy. It's getting warm. It's always humid down here on this river. We're down here on the new river, and it's always humid. So just leak test this and test it. I wouldn't expect any surprises. If there are, I'll bring you back, but otherwise that's gonna be it for this one. As always, thanks for watching. Now, y'all may have noticed that this has electricity. There is no electricity available here, 12 volt. So I have to make sure that you can light the oven with a pilot light or with a lighter. No, you can light the eyes with a lighter. So I don't know. I see a little board up here, so I don't know. But anyhow, if there's any surprises, I'll bring it back. Not, I already said all that, right? All right, y'all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to leave me a comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.